Every month, the financial weight of premium AI coding subscriptions drains development budgets. This monthly overhead limits how much you can actually build. But the high cost of commercial API access is a choice, not a requirement. You can construct a local environment that bypasses these fees by routing prompts through free, high-capacity providers. This is the end state we are building today. It is a functional web application maintained by 5 overlapping AI agents working in a unified, free workspace. By combining terminal-based routing with specialized local extensions, this setup matches the output of paid tiers without incurring a single API charge. Secure the correct environment by navigating to the Google Antigravity site. Download the installer compatible with your operating system. By default, this installation restricts its built-in AI to limited test models. To bypass these restrictions, we must point the software toward the open marketplace. Locate your IDE settings and open the settings.json configuration file. Overwrite the extensions.gallery block. Paste in the standard VS Code marketplace URLs exactly as shown and save the document. Replacing these internal registry links allows the editor to connect directly to the standard library of extensions. For background processing, we need to install the OpenCode CLI framework. Open a new split terminal directly inside your project. Run the official install command. The framework initializes and sets up the local environment required to route your code requests. Type /connect to authenticate. Open the browser dashboard to generate a free API key and paste it back into your terminal prompt. Access your model menu by typing /models. Filter the list for free models and select the auto router. This router cycles requests through multiple free providers in real time. Distributing the load significantly extends capacity and reduces rate limit interruptions. Now that the background engine is ready, we can add visual coding tools. Search your extension library for Blackbox AI and click Install. Next, install Code. Once it finishes, activate the Code profile by clicking the rocket icon in your top right toolbar. Managing 2 different AI agents in the same window requires a methodical layout to keep your code readable. Keep Blackbox docked on the left sidebar and leave Code on the right. This arrangement prevents the interfaces from overlapping as the agents generate code. Before requesting complex tasks, run npm create Astro at latest in your terminal. Scaffolding the basic project folders manually saves your free context tokens for logic and styling later. Now run the Vercel skills command. These skills provide specific instructions that keep AI models aligned with modern coding standards. Select both Claude Code and Code. This links the same set of strict formatting rules to both of your active agents. Create a file named agents.md in your project root. Write an instruction that forces the agents to check your local design document before they generate any new code. Since AI agents are programmed to scan root directory rules, this file ensures every response follows your specific project constraints. Compare these results. Vague prompts lead to the inconsistent spacing on the left. Using explicit design tokens and rules results in the precise production-ready interface on the right. Do not allow the AI to guess structural details. Define the parameters clearly to ensure the code remains accurate. Once the code generates correctly, open your source control panel immediately. Stage the changes, write a descriptive commit message, and save the snapshot. Frequent Git commits are your primary failsafe. If a future prompt breaks the application, you can instantly revert to this working version. Now that our project is safely snapshotted, we can automate the execution. Open your agent settings and set the review policy to Always Proceed. Submit a final prompt commanding the agents to finish building all remaining application features. The agents begin dynamically compiling the code, routing their requests across the network, and verifying the output without manual oversight. Here's the final result: a fully functional interface running in the local browser, with a logged cost of exactly $0. You now have a complete, integrated AI development environment that delivers high-level output while eliminating the need for paid API subscriptions.